All right, so to turn it on, we press this middle button, like that. And it's like giving us like 5 pounds per square inch. I'm sorry, 12 pounds per square inch. That's what it showed. Right now it shows nothing. But what I want to do is I'm going to deflate this a little bit. Let me get the smaller one. Oh, I think they're the same size. Look, yeah, they're both the same size. So in this one, I can deflate it. So if I put my, if I screw this in like this, right, and then I hit this, it sucks air through this and out here, right? Out here. We'll suck it in and out, I believe. Yeah. So all I have to do is push this up in there and pull the air out of this. So let's go ahead and do that. And I'm just gonna press this middle button for that to do that. So man, see how it's shrinking? See that? And stop. Pull it out. All right, so now we can see it's all smushy, right? So now if I want to fill it up, I'm just going to unscrew this. I got it on 12 pounds, but I think this only, it takes a little bit less. So then I'm going to put it in this hole here, and now we're going to fill it up. You ready? Here we go. All right, here we are. Shove it in. At the bottom. Get it in there. Get it. There we go. Oh yeah, it's filling up. I kind of want to get it kind of full. I think it's going to be right about there. I think that's good. I think that's going to work. Let me see. Oh. 8 PSI. So there's different, I guess we can go through different ones. They've already got it preset, depending on what kind of ball you're using. I mean, but the bottom line is, you can do up and down too, right? You go like this, or like that. You can change it. And it does it by 1/10. You follow me? One more. Oh, 9 PSI. So anyway, that's it. And then you hit this. If you want to turn it off, you press and hold, and it goes off. And that's it. And then you want to take this out of here. It follows me? Because you don't want to lose it, right? And you're going to shove it in that hole there. And that's it, man. Bob's your uncle, ready to go. And this is where you charge it. And that's how you use this thing. Alright, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.